Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best pure vanilla is probably one of the most versatile ingredients in your kitchen, beloved for its rich flavor and intoxicating aroma. From enhancing the sweetness of baked goods to adding depth to savory dishes, pure vanilla elevates any culinary creation. In this video, we'll explore the world of pure vanilla, uncovering its secrets and helping you choose the perfect product for your needs. Number 5. Watkins Gourmet Baking Vanilla. This all-natural vanilla is made with pure vanilla extract and naturally derived ingredients. It's perfect for all your baking needs, providing a delicious flavor to your creations. The concentrated formula is bake and freeze proof, ensuring the flavor holds up in your recipes. It's ideal for a wide range of baked goods, from cookies to cakes. You can be confident in what you're using, as it contains no artificial colors or flavors. It's a natural choice for those who value quality ingredients. This vanilla is non-GMO, gluten-free, corn syrup-free, and kosher. It's crafted in the USA, ensuring quality and adherence to high standards. This product is crafted in the USA. It is a great choice for adding a rich, natural vanilla flavor to your favorite recipes. What we like. This vanilla is made with all-natural ingredients and is designed to withstand baking and freezing. It's perfect for those who want a reliable vanilla extract that won't lose its flavor in the oven or freezer. If you are a baker who wants a consistent flavor in your baked goods, you should consider this one. What people say. Its consistency and quality is standard. Its color is perfect and it's very strong, which is exactly what you want. The container has no leak problems and seal as well. Number 4. McCormick Pure Vanilla Extract. This extract is made with pure vanilla beans. It has a deep, rich taste and color. Every batch is blended for consistent flavor. It's a baker's best friend, perfect for cakes, cookies, and pies. You can also use it to balance meat and seafood dishes. It is a versatile ingredient. This extract is gluten-free and non-GMO. It contains no corn syrup. It is a great choice for those with dietary restrictions. It is made with Madagascar vanilla beans. This ensures a high-quality product. The beans give it a unique and delicious flavor. Add it to your favorite baked goods. It will enhance the flavor and aroma. It's the perfect addition to any recipe. What we like. This extract offers a deep, rich flavor profile, ensuring consistency in every batch. It's not just for desserts, it can also balance the flavors of meat and seafood. If you are looking for a versatile vanilla extract that enhances both sweet and savory dishes, you should choose this one. What people say. The rich, aromatic flavor, courtesy of those glorious Madagascar vanilla beans, elevates everything from cookies to custards. With 16 fluid ounces of pure vanilla goodness, it's a great value for your money. Knowing that I'm using a pure, unadulterated vanilla extract enhances the flavor of my desserts and gives me the confidence that I'm using a product free from artificial additives or preservatives. Number 3. Nielsen-Massey Madagascar Bourbon Vanilla Extract. This extract offers a rich, complex flavor. It's creamy and mellow with velvety undertones, perfect for any recipe. For over a century, the brand has been family-owned and operated. It's trusted by Michelin-starred chefs and home cooks for its quality. The vanilla beans come from Madagascar's Bourbon Islands. They are hand-selected for their full, natural flavor. The small batch, cold process method preserves the natural flavors. This ensures maximum extraction of the vanilla essence. It's all natural, allergen-free, non-GMO, and certified kosher and gluten-free. This makes it a great choice for everyone. What we like. This vanilla extract boasts a luscious, layered flavor profile, crafted using a small batch, cold process. It's trusted by Michelin-starred chefs and home cooks alike for its superior quality. If you appreciate a premium vanilla with a complex flavor and want to support sustainable farming, you should consider this. What people say. Nielsen-Massey Madagascar Bourbon Vanilla Extract delivers a rich, smooth, and natural flavor that elevates every recipe. Made from the finest Madagascar bourbon vanilla beans, this extract boasts a bold, robust flavor that enhances everything from cookies and cakes to custards and sauces. Each batch is meticulously crafted to ensure maximum potency and flavor, guaranteeing consistent results every time. Number 2. Native Vanilla 8 ounces Pure Vanilla Extract. This extract is made with 100% real vanilla, perfect for all your cooking and baking needs. It delivers a strong, natural flavor that will enhance any recipe. The unique extraction process preserves over 300 flavor compounds. This ensures that it provides a rich and complex taste, making your dishes truly special. It's made from real vanilla beans, with no additives, colorants, or artificial flavors. This extract is also sugar-free, ensuring a pure and natural taste. This product supports hundreds of micro-farmers in Papua New Guinea through fair trade. The brand is committed to environmentally friendly growing practices. It is kosher and vegan certified, making it suitable for various dietary needs. You can use it in place of vanilla beans, paste, or powder in your recipes. What we like. This extract is made with a proprietary extraction process, preserving 300 flavor compounds. It has a clean label with no additives and is ethically sourced, supporting micro-farmers. If you are looking for a pure, flavorful vanilla extract that aligns with your values of ethical sourcing and clean ingredients, you should choose it. What people say. It is working excellent for the scent part of it. Seems to be very high quality and enhances the flavor of the vanilla ice cream recipe I make in combination with real vanilla beans. It's great flavor, very aromatic. I use it in my yogurt, coffee, tea, kefir. Number 1. Native Vanilla Bean Paste, all natural 4 ounces. Introducing Native Vanilla's Pure Vanilla Bean Paste. It's a rich and flavorful alternative to vanilla extract. You can use it in your favorite baked goods, ice creams, and desserts. This paste offers a deep, authentic vanilla taste. Consumers and the food industry alike enjoy its unparalleled flavor. It elevates any recipe with its rich profile. Made with naturally farmed, sustainably sourced vanilla beans, organic agave nectar, and vanilla extract. This product is SQF, kosher, vegan, non-GMO, and gluten-free. It contains no artificial thickeners or preservatives. The vanilla beans are fairly traded and sustainably sourced. The paste features real bean specks, adding visual elegance to your recipes. It's a premium ingredient for any culinary creation. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract equals 1 whole vanilla bean or 1 tablespoon of this paste. To preserve the aroma, store it in a tightly sealed container in a cool, dark place for up to 3 years. What we like. This vanilla bean paste provides a rich and flavorful alternative to extract, made with natural ingredients. It features real bean specks, adding visual elegance to your recipes. If you like the visual appeal of vanilla bean specks and want a versatile option for baking, ice creams, and sauces, you should consider it. What people say. It tastes delicious drizzled in yogurt and in coffee and has been excellent in baked goods. It's thick, smells wonderful, and doesn't have any alcohol in it, so it's good for halal baking. Used it in both the cupcake batter and to make vanilla bean buttercream. It's definitely a step up from regular vanilla extract. I would say it's just as potent, but you get a better flavor payoff. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.